If you're switching from Mailchimp to ConvertKit, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can move your audience over quickly and cleanly. We're going to export your contacts from Mailchimp, then import them into ConvertKit, and make sure your fields line up properly so your subscriber data stays organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the audience section. This is where all of your contacts are stored, and this is the first place you need to go when you want to move subscribers to another platform. Click on Audience, then go into your contacts list. Now that you're in the audience area, you want to export all of your contacts. Find the option that says Export All Contacts and click it. Mailchimp will prepare your contact list for download, and depending on the size of your audience, this may take a moment. When the export is ready, click Export CSV. This gives you a file that ConvertKit can import later. After that, go to View Export History, so you can find the export you just created. In the export history, locate the most recent file and click Download. Your contacts will download to your computer, usually as a zip file or CSV file. If it downloads as a zip file, make sure to extract it first so you can access the CSV inside. Now switch over to ConvertKit and sign into your account. Once you're on the ConvertKit dashboard, click Subscribers. This is where you manage your audience inside ConvertKit. From there, click Add Subscribers because that is the path you use to bring in contacts from another platform. Next, choose Import CSV. ConvertKit will ask you to upload the file you downloaded from Mailchimp. Click Choose a file to upload, then browse your computer and select the downloaded file. If it's zipped, extract it first, then select the CSV file and open it. This is an important step because ConvertKit needs the actual contact file in order to read your subscriber data correctly. Once the file is uploaded, ConvertKit will show you a field mapping screen. This is where you tell ConvertKit what each column means. Click on the Kit field and assign the correct values such as name, email, phone number, or any other custom fields you exported from Mailchimp. Take your time here because proper field mapping makes sure your subscriber data stays accurate and usable after the migration. After you've matched the fields, click Next. ConvertKit will show you a final review screen so you can confirm everything looks correct before importing. Double check the file, the number of subscribers, and the field mappings one more time. If everything looks good, click Start Import. ConvertKit will now begin importing your subscribers from Mailchimp. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a little while. Once it's finished, your audience will be moved over and ready to use inside ConvertKit. From there, you can start building forms, emails, and automations with your imported list. And that's it. You've successfully switched from Mailchimp to ConvertKit by exporting your contacts, downloading the CSV, uploading it into ConvertKit, mapping your fields, and starting the import. If this video helped you make the move, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.